Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about family, beauty, and everything else in between. I have a haul for you today, and I also have an unboxing that was sent to me from Influenster. And I think let's start with the unboxing first because it's really something smaller and doesn't have much detail to it. It's something I still have to try. I will be making a video of me making this coffee and trying the coffee and saying what I think about the coffee, like my first impressions on this coffee. But it's Pete's coffee. It was sent to me free from Influencer for testing purposes. It was completely complimentary. They sent, like I said, they sent me Pete's coffee and it's flavored. It's vanilla cinnamon flavored coffee. I'm really excited to try this because I love coffee. I haven't had my daily dose of coffee today, so I'm gonna probably try this today, and I will probably have that video up in a few days or so after this one, obviously. If not, then it's probably already posted. I don't know, I'm not sure. I haven't figured that out. But I will be posting a video. I also got coupons for the coffee. They're saved $2 on one, and I got 3 of those. I also got, like, I guess information on the Pete's coffee. They have 3 flavors. They have caramel brulee, hazelnut mocha, and vanilla cinnamon, which is the one I got. I love cinnamon. I'm Mexican, so you know about those canela teas. Yeah, we're always drinking them. I love coffee with cinnamon. My mom will make like the canela tea, and then she'll take instant coffee and put it into the canela tea and then milk. So I don't know, that flavor just in general is very delicious. I also have a Bath and Body Works haul, and I got a good amount of like the Halloween stuff. Well, not a good amount of the Halloween stuff, but I got the soaps, the hand soaps. I got 2 of these vampire blood ones because these are probably my favorite scents from the Halloween. Their Halloween, what do you call it? Season, I guess. I got the vampire blood ones. I got 2 of those, and then I got Ghoul Friend. This is the Gentle Gel Hand Soap. This one's probably my least favorite, but I still like the scent, and it's Halloween, so I grabbed it anyways. And it's soap, I'm going to be using it anyways, whether I like the scent or not. And then I also got the Perfect Pumpkin. I was in search for the plug-in wall, the one that's like the little amethyst crystal, but I did not find that at my Bath and Body Works. I actually didn't check the other store. There's 2 stores at my mall. There's 2 Bath and Body Works stores at my mall, so, and I didn't check the other one, which I should have, but I didn't. And then I also got these room sprays because they were on sale, and so I got the Game Hand. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I got this one. I love the scent of this one. My husband liked it too. He helped me pick them out. And then of course I got the Black Cherry Merlot because that's probably one of my favorite scents at Bath and Body Works, the candle scent. I love this thing. Like as a room spray, or like in general, a scent for a room. I don't know if I would wear it as like body spray or a lotion, but I would use this as a room spray or candle. Room scent, I guess. And then I also got the Cranberry Woods. I've had this candle before. I had it in my restroom and I ran out of the candle, but I got the room spray, so I'm probably gonna keep this in my restroom. And that's it for Bath and Body Works. My total was $43. The hand soaps were 4 for $20 and 6 for $27. I went on August 27th. So yeah, go get you some of these before they're gone because they're flying. I'm telling you, all the Halloween stuff at Bath and Body Works is flying. And also, my favorite. I went to Halloween and I got a few things. We didn't get everything yet for Halloween because it's like we still gotta get the kids stuff, but we got one item for our kids. And it was the hat from Cat in the Hat because my 4-year-old loves Cat in the Hat. Our 1-year-old loves Cat in the Hat too. He actually laughs so much to that to the movie. So
it's a mommy. It's mommy.
Yeah, it's me. So me and my husband are gonna be going to Universal Studios. And I wanted an outfit, but I didn't know I was gonna find an outfit at Spirit Halloween, but I did. So we're wearing these outfits to Universal Studios Horror Nights. I know these outfits are Disney, I know, but they're literally our favorite characters in general, so I'm wearing it. I know people are going to be looking at me, Universal Studios, like, you're Universal Studios, why are you wearing a Disney character outfit in here? Because I like it, okay, and anybody can wear whatever the fuck they want. So, this is what my husband got. He got his Jack Beanie, is what he's going to wear. And then he got himself the gloves, the Jack gloves, because we have the costume. He just never had the gloves, so he got the gloves. The gloves were like 12 bucks or something. Yeah, I think they were like $12. Yeah, $12.99. And then the beanie was $16.99. It's like really nice quality. Yeah, it's really nice quality. And then I got myself this Sally dress, and the reason I got this dress is because I can literally wear it whenever I want. So I have this dress. It's about knee length, maybe a little bit longer than knee length, and that's what I'm wearing to Universal Studios. And then I also got this cute little head, what do you call these? I don't know what you call these. I don't know what you call these, but in English, but this, I'm wearing this. And then it's so cute, it has a little sewing needle. Because Sally, she's a rag doll, she has to sew herself back. Ooh, what the hell is that? But yeah, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how cute that is. And it'll help get my hair out of the way at Universal Studios also. And I also got these tights to wear with my dress. But I'm thinking I want to get some boots to wear with my dress. Not these type of boots. I like these type of boots, but I've never owned them, and then I feel like they won't be as comfortable as just like regular boots. I don't know. I'll have to see. I'll have to see. But yep, that's about it. That's all I got. I'm gonna go film my coffee video really quick and have my daily dose of coffee. My 4-year-old's over here excited because I'm filming videos again, and he kind of likes being in the background of the videos. Can you bring your Cat in the Hat? He loves his Cat in the Hat. He literally has it with him over there, like in the other room. But I wanted him to bring it so you guys can see it. Look at that. There's a Cat in the Hat. He's a cat. Oh my god, it's so cool. He was so excited when he saw it. He was trying to get in the camera. Here you go. Alright, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to me and you're watching my videos, please subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay. Just subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god. I totally forgot. Okay. I got 2 more things from... There's my kid. I got 2 more things from Spirit Halloween, and it's probably like...
That's not
Actually, no, it's not my favorite item on this haul. But, because I do have a lot of favorite items in this haul.
Don't say it.
Don't say what?
I'm grown up.
Yeah, only grown up. So, I got 2 cups from Spirit Halloween. I got this Beetlejuice one that has Lydia's silhouette on it, and it says, what is it? Of course they're dead, they're ghosts. And then on the other side it says Beetlejuice, and it's just like a plastic cup. And I got these because they were really cheap. I thought they were really cheap. They were $2.99. And then I also got this Oogie Boogie one. This one is so cool.
Nuke, mommy, it's cool.
Yeah, it's a cool cup, huh? We're gonna be using it to drink water and juice. Yeah. You wanna see him?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, and here's the baby. Hey. 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 Jack. Jackie Poo.
Junkie Boo.
That is Jackie Poo.
Junkie Bucks. Junkie Bucks.
Alright, I'm out. Peace.